Welcome to Car Rides, your trusted source for the latest reviews, updates, and insights into advanced vehicles, technology, and defense innovations. Today we are bringing you an in-depth look at one of the most talked about weapons of the future, the 2026 AGM-114 missile with a remarkable 5,000 kilometers range. This missile represents a massive leap in precision strike capability and long-range performance, setting new benchmarks in modern military technology. The AGM-114 missile has a long history of being an effective air-to-ground weapon, but the 2026 variant is an entirely new class in itself. With its extended 5,000 kilometers operational range, it is capable of targeting strategic assets deep within enemy territory without exposing the launching platform to danger. This not only increases mission success rates but also provides a strong deterrence factor in modern combat scenarios. Its long-range capability is paired with advanced propulsion systems that allow it to sustain high-speed travel, making it extremely difficult to intercept. In terms of specifications, the 2026 AGM-114 missile has been enhanced with cutting-edge guidance systems. It combines GPS navigation, infrared sensors, and radar-based targeting for extreme accuracy. This ensures that the missile remains locked onto its target even in electronic warfare environments where jamming and countermeasures are in place. The missile is also designed with a modular warhead system that allows it to be adapted for different types of missions, whether against armored vehicles, naval vessels, fortified bunkers, or mobile targets. Another striking feature is its stealth-optimized design. Built with radar-absorbing materials and a streamlined structure, the missile can bypass detection systems more effectively than older versions. Its reduced heat signature also makes it less vulnerable to infrared tracking. When combined with its supersonic speed, this makes the AGM-114 one of the hardest missiles to intercept in its category. The combination of stealth, speed, and precision ensures a high probability of hitting the target even in highly defended airspaces. The 2026 AGM-114 is also highly versatile in deployment. It can be launched from a variety of platforms including fighter jets, drones, naval ships, and even ground-based vehicles. This multi-platform adaptability makes it a universal strike weapon, giving armed forces the flexibility to use it in different theaters of combat. Its adaptability and power are what truly make it stand out among modern missile systems. Looking at its features and performance, the AGM-114 missile is clearly not just an upgrade but a complete transformation of what a guided missile can achieve. It embodies the future of warfare by combining range, accuracy, stealth, and destructive power in one package. For defense analysts and technology enthusiasts, this missile is an example of how rapidly military innovations are advancing and how they are reshaping strategies on the global stage. This was a detailed review of the 2026 AGM-114 missile, highlighting its specs, features, and unique advancements. You are watching Car Rides, the channel that brings you the latest in vehicles, defense technology, and futuristic innovations. Make sure to subscribe and stay connected with us for more exciting updates and detailed reviews on the most advanced machines shaping our world.